I feel just for a second here like good old Mr. Rogers, who used to be on TV. I think I'll introduce my friend Mr. Metronome. But this is a metronome. It keeps time for you, and I'm going to leave it on so we can hear that clicking. We are looking at the page is called More with B, A, and G. And the metronome you can set to different speeds. So we could go faster, we could go slower. Let's set it to, we'll go up. We are now, this is 100 beats per minute. Now, you might have to practice this slower. When you start out on an instrument, you almost always have to practice things slowly. Try to practice slow enough so that you don't make any mistakes. So that way, right from the beginning, you're playing it right all the time. So we're looking at More with B, A, and G. And the first line is called BBs, because they're all B's. I tried to be very clever about the titles of these pieces. They're not songs, by the way. They're not very enjoyable, but they're things to practice. So we have whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. Let's play BBs. 1, 2, ready, go. And as I said, if you need to play that slower, do turn this off and play it slower. By the way, on the internet, you can find metronomes, sites that are metronomes, and so you can set them to whatever speed you want and play along with them if you think that you're not keeping an even beat. I'm going to slow this down. I can play it this fast, but let's slow it down because maybe you can't, I don't know. The next one is called Getting Almost All A's in School, because there are a couple of B's that sneak in here. So I hope you've looked through it. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, the next one, next page, the top one is called G.wmv, and I made the note there that it's sort of like Pop Goes the Weasel. If you know Pop Goes the Weasel, which goes da 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 da. I guess I should play it on here. But anyway, we'll play G.wmv. 1, 2, ready, go. And last but not least, the one that I tried to make sound like a real song, even though it only has 3 different notes. So this will be your class song, the class of 2011 March. 1, 2, ready, go.